Little G.
There was a time I could, but you've been everything right. No lies, no wrong. Boy, I still been out of my mind. So I think I was right, but I almost loved you. You showed the worst and I'm so sorry of you. Thank God you bled it. Thank God I got a bullet over you. So baby, and now I wanted you back.
Oh, talaga?
Cause honestly you turned out to be best thing I ever had. Best thing I never had. Best thing I never had. Best to me.